This is March 3rd, 2017. Replacement body for an early 90s vintage Century with an SP 850 side pull. The large slant to clear the front jack. These are the new UPF hinged plastic poly doors. They have the E-grab latch from Eberhardt. Fold down doors. I'm going to do a water test today. I'm going to give a 1700 PSI pressure washer test. Just testing the seals. Uses a continuous automotive bulb type seal. Very, very tight seal. See, the inside of the box is perfectly dry. There's a detail of the bulb gasket, typical automotive arrangement here. And these are the new drop-down doors with the speed limiters for a soft landing. You don't slam to the bottom. Nice and easy. Not a drop. 1500 PSI pressure washer.